Hassan's Kitchen.
Menemen.
Menemen, lesson number 1.
You just put green peppers in a sea of olive oil.
Shake the pan.
Shake the pan.
Shake the pan. Peel the tomatoes.
Careful, Mike.
Lovely smell coming off those very different flower peppers.
I reckon I might try that home with padron peppers as well. I think it's quite good.
Mine work with padron. So right, so this is what I'm going to struggle to find tomatoes like that.
Really chopped fine.
Your tomatoes are very greenish, not really ready like this,
Yeah.
you know.
This is where we should be having a glass of wine at the same time, shouldn't we?
Yeah, and we sit at a table and chat about it. Yeah. So what's your latest movie?
Nice to have.
It is a nice pan, isn't it? Sorry.
Olive oil, very pale.
Yeah, it's ready pretty much. You can see it's a little bit brown
Little
when
bit
it's
brown.
getting, so you know, put your tomatoes in.
Wow, look at that.
Hey! There you go, the flame going. There you go.
Bit of his salt, bit of his chili flakes. Depends how much chili you like. I would usually put more or less.
Yeah,
Bit of black pepper. It's done here.
We can't get hold of.
And then you leave it cooking for at least 5 minutes until the tomatoes are all melted.
Okay.
Then we come back to part 2.
We'll come. Give us a shout. We'll come back to the next bit.
Come back, boys. All smart with
Come back to part 2.
Yeah.
Right, so we've done the tomatoes and
We're now you doing it.
we're now coming on to the grand finale of the dish, and that's the eggs, I presume.
This is how you.
They're being beaten down here as we speak.
How you make this to not turn into an omelette. Is the key.
It's the softness of it, which is lovely. So basically, I think that
This is the bit we got to get right back home. Otherwise, it's just
the
just
secret
an
is
omelette.
just going to be getting those peppers, which I know where I can get them. And you can get those in your way, but do it my way. It's getting some peel, a big
Got to peel it.
Yeah.
There'll be some editing in this movie.
How you do? This is the bit that goes to me. How you don't turn this into a tortilla? You know?
Yeah.
I don't know.
This is the secret, otherwise it ends up like just an omelette. Oh no, this is the bit.
So you've beaten the eggs. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, this can't be very long, can it? It can't be long.
Not very like scrambled egg, but you
Yeah.
just keep mixing it up.
No, nothing in the egg, just pure egg, not milk
Just
or
pure egg,
just
nothing.
pure egg. Good job, look at that.
It turns pretty quickly, doesn't
It's
it?
turning, isn't it? You have
Yeah.
to keep the heat going. It's going to be almost ready, isn't it? It's not going to be long. You got low heat?
It is a low heat.
Very low heat,
Yeah.
yeah.
Because if you have a high heat,
It's done.
eggs
Yeah,
will
yeah,
cook
yeah.
very quickly.
Yeah.
So it won't really mix it up properly.
You can see there's just a bit of consistency coming into it now, isn't it? Where it's heating up on the bottom of the pan.
It's just what I call these strict chips and Rick Stein. You can see this cooking all over the world. I mean, it's just. Yeah, yeah.
Yep. You see that's ready. Yeah.
Pretty much ready.
Just as it's about to turn, isn't it? It's almost.
Because it's a high vegetable content of egg, it's not setting like an
No,
omelette.
it's got the
But
water
you
coming
need
out
to
of it.
keep
Yeah.
it a bit juicy.
Yeah.
If you cook
Yeah.
it too much, it gets very dry. Like
Yeah.
those-
Yeah,
Yeah.
horrible. Yeah. Wow.
Lovely.
There we
to
go.
now.
Believe.
And the taste is fantastic.
Thank you indeed,
Out of
my
that,
man.
nothing
Thank you.
special in there, is there? And the taste is
very
brilliant.
simple and
Yeah.
There's our first Turkish cooking lesson. Thank
Thank
you very
you.
much indeed.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Oh man, that's
We look forward to
fantastic.
episode 2.
Episode
The Menemen.
Courtesy of the wonderful Daisy.
Soft,
We
you
need to
know.
have on what the dish is called.
You know what? He'll go back and edit this, and then he'll send it to you. You're
Oh,
gonna get it all.
fabulous. Then we'll put it on the
Yeah.
castle
And
website.
here we are, the Turkish Menemen.
The
Look at
star.